Hi, I'm Lee Earl, and I'm here to explain my pieces of the lecture, and this one is called CornerPocket. It was originally contributed to Syzygy newsletter by Jason Christopher. Since we're a little late getting volume 4 of Best of Syzygy out, I thought it would be really cool to put it in here. In addition to the standard 15 pool balls you're going to need one more as a prediction. In this case, I've chosen the 11 ball because it's a nice bright red. If you're in a pool hall, just grab one of the balls off an unused adjacent table. If you're in a home where there's only one set of balls, then pick up the cue ball. Preferably before the people get the game started, and write your prediction on the cue ball, and then you'll pull the snap brim fedora off your head and place it down on the table, covering up the ball. I didn't bring a snap brim fedora because, quite frankly, I can't find one to fit my head, much less my coiffure. Regardless, you also throw your bet down on top, and you say, I got 20 bucks that I can pick the winner of the next game. Well, now it sounds a little bit like a con, which it is. So we want to gentle them down just a little bit. Be sure to let them know, by the way, if you win, you get the money. If I win, I keep my money. You risk nothing. Sounds better, doesn't it? Sure it does. We're going to play 8-ball. Now, some people may not know the rules of 8-ball or even much about pool. So it's necessary to explain there are 15 balls in a set of pool balls. The bottom 7 are all solid colors, and the top 7 are all stripes of similar colors. For example, the 6 and the 14 are both green, but the 14 is striped. In addition, the object of the game, the one right in the middle, is the 8-ball. That's always the last ball to be shot off the table. We know what the last ball to be played regularly is. We'll just go ahead and concede that. What we're looking for is the one just before that. So now we have stripes and solids. What'll it be, partner?
Solids.
Solids. All right, very good. We will now sink all of your solids. Notice the very clever... Well, it's not dignified enough to be equivoque. It's a magician's choice, basically, because if he said stripes, all right, you're shooting the stripes, we'll clear the solid ones off the table. You see, I have a striped ball over here, and therefore I want them to match. So what we're going to do now is we're going to play this game, you and I, but we're going to shoot combination shots. Now, for the pool hall challenged among you, rather than just shooting a ball and have it go into the pocket, a combination shot involves 2 balls. And etiquette requires that you call the 2 balls first. For example, the 9 and the 13. Then one hits the other and one of them goes into the hole. In this case, which goes into the hole, sir? The 9 or the 13? Your choice. Very good. Now you get to choose the combination.
10 and 12.
10 and 12, that would be these 2, and I get to choose the one that goes in the hole. I'll sink the 12. All right, now let's see, it's my turn to pick the combination. I'll pick. Now you notice I'm not picking the object ball. If I don't pick it, he can't eliminate it. Okay, my combination shot is 14 and 15.
14.
The 14 goes away. Which 2 will you pick, sir?
10 and 11.
The 10 and 11. Now since he picked the 11 ball, oh, that's the 9 and 11, I'm sorry. Since he picked the 10 and the 11, and all I had to do is say, all right, we'll sink the 10. Bada boom, bada bing. Pick any 2, eliminate 1. P-A-T-E-O, patio force. All right then, it's my choice. My combination is the 9-15. Which one goes in?
9.
The 9 goes in. The last combination is 11-15. I think the 15 ought to be sunk. The last ball on the table is the 11. Looks like I'm keeping my money. It's as simple as that, and I know you'll enjoy doing it. By the way, these balls that I use are great if you're doing table hopping because they aren't that huge a pocketful. And they're actually super bounce balls, the kind you get out of gumball machines. We have a few of these at Mentalism Unlimited, and I suppose if there's a great hue and cry for them, we'll be able to get more. So look for availability on our website, www.mentalismunlimited.com.